Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing just one or two core topics to avoid overload. This narrows focus and speeds recall. Next, grab your textbook headings and lecture slides, lay out a single-page template, and set a 25-minute timer to enforce deep, focused work. Then decide whether you'll use flashcards, a condensed outline, or a diagram-first approach. Each forces different memory pathways. Once done, label the page with topic and date so you can compare later and build spaced repetition. You now extract the 5 to 8 most testable facts and one central diagram or equation that explains the concept. Reduce each idea into a concise phrase using abbreviations, arrows, and color coding to separate causes, effects, and exceptions. Keep lines short for quick scanning. Convert dense paragraphs into 2 or 3 linked bullets or a mini flowchart so relationships are obvious. Once done, add one example or mnemonic. This connects abstract terms to concrete memory cues and aids recall under. To finish, you do a rapid 5-minute self-test. Highlight the 2 items you failed to recall easily, then turn those into 3 focused flashcards each. Schedule reviews, next day and 1 week, so spaced repetition locks facts into long-term memory. Make the page clean and legible. Add a tiny symbol where examiners often ask questions. If confusion persists, redraw the key diagram from memory one time only. Then check accuracy and correct. This reveals gaps without reinforcing mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.